channel. My name is Amanda and today I am starting my Halloween decorating here in my kitchen and dining room. I am so excited to share it with you guys. I love how it turned out. So we are going to get straight into it. As you can see, I've taken down all of my fall decor already. I've cleaned the countertops, the dining table, and really anything that needed a good wipe down so that we can start right away with the decorating. I did put back out all of the everyday functional items that I use in my kitchen, as well as any everyday decor items that I will be reusing. I do reuse a lot of my fall decor items as well for Halloween, but I do tend to move them around for a fresh new feel, so I took those down too. I'm just the kind of person who gets the itch to move things around because I like seeing something new in my home. We are starting right away though here with my dining table centerpiece. I started with this black vase from Hobby Lobby and then added in these bright orange leaf picks from Michaels. I think the orange is just so perfect for Halloween and I love the way they drape out of the vase. I then added a simple bowl with pumpkin filler, an orange ceramic pumpkin, and a candle I picked up from Walmart in the scent Fall Farmhouse. It's such a nice, earthy, kind of woody scent, and I absolutely love the cute Halloween packaging. Also, if it looks like I'm decorating in a weird way or holding onto items strangely, it's because I'm wearing my 3-month-old baby, just an FYI. He is my constant decorating companion these days, and today he wanted to be worn so he could take a nice nap. But it does make it a little bit more interesting to make my way around the space. Here on my kitchen rack, I always keep out this dark wooden cutting board from HomeGoods and my conversion chart. They are definitely staple items here. I then added this kitchen towel with a cute jack-o'-lantern pattern on it from HomeGoods last year, a neutral toned mini wreath that I actually moved over from my coffee bar shelves, and then a little mini broomstick that says Hocus Pocus from Michaels 2 years ago. Here on my coffee/hot chocolate bar tiered tray, I kept things mostly the same as my fall ones since it has been very functional for our family. We've really been enjoying it. I just added in some Halloween to-go cups on the top, while on the bottom in the pie plate, I placed some more pumpkin filler. The tea bags and the hot chocolate packets that I had stored in there, I moved to the drawer with the cake cups. I just thought it would look nicer that way. And then I also added a ghost mug that I picked up last year from Target. Up on the top shelf of my coffee bar, I kept my scale from Hobby Lobby up. I did end up placing an orange knit Target pumpkin in it. To balance out the height from the scale, I added my Hey Boo sign from At Home, and then I placed back my white Ray Dunn pitcher with wooden spoons. So I did keep the words facing backwards because I wanted a very simple look. And then finally, I added a striped ceramic jack-o'-lantern from last year's Target Dollar Spot to finish it off. Then on the bottom shelf, I paired my coffee ground canister with a vintage style tin from Michaels that I got 2 years ago. I then added these
cute little bowls from HomeGoods last year with some white pumpkins inside. I love the cute spider web and jack-o'-lantern patterns on them. Opposite them, I added a black cat from At Home last year, as well as a cute new pumpkin mug with his little Boo Ghost trick-or-treat bag that I got from Target, and a simple white pumpkin from Hobby Lobby. Now this is later on in the day. I did go back in to add some of this tattered black fabric to my coffee bar. I honestly just forgot to do it earlier. I have never used it before in my decor, and I also had forgotten to take it out of the decor box. So it was kind of a out of sight, out of mind situation, I guess. I am so glad that I did go back in and do it because I really love how it looks. I'd like to take a little bit of time here as well to welcome you to my channel, whether you're new or returning, and to thank you so much for watching. Time is so precious, and there are tons of options for decorating videos out there, so I am extremely grateful that you chose to spend some of your time with me today. If you're enjoying today's video and you enjoy seasonal and home decorating inspiration, definitely be sure to subscribe to my channel down below for more. On my kitchen island, I just reused the same stems I had out here for fall, but I placed it in a black vase from Target and then added a small decorative bottle from Michael's that says cobweb dust. On my chicken wire shelf, I started off by using this cute wall decor piece from Walmart of a witch's hat as the focal point, as well as something to cover the white phone outlet that sticks out like a sore thumb against the black backsplash. I then used items from Target, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and HomeGoods to finish that top shelf. I tried to use larger items to keep the display from feeling less busy and cluttered. I just felt after a while that my fall display up here had a little too much going on, so the larger items really helps it feel less overwhelming. inside the drawer, I went with almost a symmetrical look, specifically by mirroring colors as you go from the outside in. I used these white hobnail bowls from Hobby Lobby on the outside, then 2 orange items on risers on the next spot in, while in the middle section I added a ghost tea light holder from Walmart last year, along with a black velvet pumpkin from a bunch of Halloween pumpkin filler I got years ago from Joann's. I'm going to be honest, I definitely don't think I'm going to keep this little black tree here. It does its intended job of kind of disguising the outlet, but obviously it just blends into the backsplash, so it'll probably be replaced. And I finally figured out a configuration in this small countertop area that appropriately hides all the cords that bothered me so much during my fall decorating. I decided to place my towel ladder here with a seasonal towel on it. This is the one that matches the one on my kitchen rack from earlier. And using those makes it easier to not just disguise the outlet and the plugs, but also the fact that the toaster plug sticks out way far. I then put the lamp on the other side by the fridge and then added this buffalo check mug with a eucalyptus pick inside.
So that is all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love how it all turned out. It's got a fun mix of black, white, and orange. It just feels so festive and cheery in here. If you guys did enjoy it, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more seasonal and home decorating content. I am looking forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye for now.